My name is Althea. I am a junior at Woods Cross High School. Tonight is the night that we celebrate all these different cultures in our multicultural showcase and just celebrating our individuality and unity.
So we brought together a bunch of different schools from our district, and a lot of these elementary schoolers have put together these artworks that are hung up around our school and stuff. Some of them you can see include the Chinese lanterns and different artworks that they've brought together to showcase. Some of the performances include like the Pacific Islanders of Woods Cross and the elementaries. They'll be performing as well.
For me, it's a privilege to be performing these dances. Each dance shares a different story, and it shares where we originate from and what our people do.
Hi, I'm Sarah Johnson. I'm principal at Bolton Elementary. Here tonight we have 7 schools that make up our Woods Cross cluster. All of the schools have tables that are representing cultures from their families. Bolton Elementary is excited to have a family here that is from New Zealand. It's exciting for these families to be a part of it and a chance to celebrate their heritage and culture.
My table is from New Zealand. My dad's from New Zealand, and he brought flags and pictures and different things from New Zealand so that we could share our culture.
When we came in, it was pretty exciting to see all the heritage here all represented. I'm from New Zealand, and I have Samoan, Chinese, and Tongan heritage. I was showing my kids their heritage, family tree. It's surprising when you go into your DNA how many countries are actually represented. We might think we're from one place, but actually we have heritage from many places. And it's great to see that represented here in this event.
Being able to have a sense of unity and belonging in your own space, it's so important to celebrate the different cultures of every individual, because finding people who can celebrate you just for every different heritage and culture you can bring is just amazing.
By coming here, students see that their differences are actually what makes them the most unique and special that they can be. And I really just hope that at the end of the day, our students just really realize how important each one of our cultures is.